Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So, in today's episode, I wanted to do an exciting unboxing slash haul with you guys. I was gifted two bags full of goodies from Temu, and I wanted to share all the items I got with you guys. So let's dive in. So, if you're unfamiliar with Temu, it is a trendy shopping app where you can literally find a wide assortment of products at affordable prices. And definitely, I feel like in today's world where all the prices are always going up, it's a nice welcome surprise to be able to buy items that you need at low prices. You can literally buy anything from baby bibs, pet food supplies, to makeup and beauty tools. I mainly got some makeup beauty tools. And just to share with you guys, again, I was gifted these items, but to share with you guys my whole experience, it was effortless, easy to use a website and make the purchase. And everything was received as expected. Everything came undamaged, so I had a really positive shipping experience. So let's go into the products now. The first bag is literally just filled with beauty tools. If there's something you should know about me is I buy a lot of makeup, like eyeshadow palettes, mascaras, but I never buy beauty tools. I don't know why. I definitely need them, but I don't know why I never buy them. So I'm always lacking them. So I really stocked up on especially beauty blenders. I won't go through all of them because literally it's a bag full of beauty blenders, but they come in these various packages. They're bright, cute, um, different assortments. So yeah, I'm never going to be lacking beauty blenders now. But I actually used to always blend everything with my fingertips, and when I happened to just randomly use a beauty blender one time, it was a game changer. I didn't realize how flawlessly it blended out my foundation, my concealer, so I felt like my whole makeup look just came together more seamlessly than if I were to continue blending with my fingertips. So yeah, got a bunch of beauty blenders. I also got a fresh set of brushes. So this is again something I'm usually always lacking. So it's great to get a fresh set. You can definitely see myself using the brushes for my highlighter, my blush, and also my eyeshadows. Just another variety of beauty blenders I got. Everything super cute. Okay, so let's go into my next bag. I got This is like, I would say this is more of like the fun bag, I guess, because as you know from my channel, I like doing different makeup looks. So I got various temporary tattoos. I like these butterfly ones, and I also got this like rose one, but definitely, I think I could definitely see myself using it if I want to do like a baddie transformation, that kind of thing, without the commitment and the pain. I also got these cool stick-on eyeliners. And they come in these glittery, fun shades, but I can definitely see myself putting together like a fun makeup look with those stickers. I also got these crystal gems. I can definitely see myself creating like a festival eye look with them. So, yeah. Oh, and I also got these Asian brand falsies. I always hear how Asian brand lashes actually work better with monolids. Like they fit and mold to the eye shape a lot better. So, I mean, my go-to favorite is Ardell, but I'm definitely going to check these out and I'll let you guys know if I see a visible difference. So I think I definitely want to start using these items I got and creating like a fun, baddie, edgy makeup look. And I'll probably film myself again talking about my actual reactions after using everything. But yeah, I want to share with you guys the goodies that I got. And if you guys haven't yet done so, definitely check out Temu. I think you'll be surprised by all the affordable products you can get. And I put all the product descriptions below if you want to check out and peruse them. And I also included a discount code in the description box so that you can get these items for at a further discount if you decide to purchase them. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will probably film a follow-up telling you guys about my experience using the products and creating a look. But thanks for watching and happy shopping. Bye.